Hello! This tutorial will show you how to download servers for any Source Engine game. It's really easy and shouldn't take more than half an hour. I went with Garry's mod, which includes all the features of a normal Source game server and a few more, and I'll cover these all here to save making multiple videos. The first step is to download Steam CMD. This is a version of Steam provided by Valve which uses the command prompt. Cut and paste the file to where you want it. I chose the root of my hard drive. Then extract the zip file. Run Steam CMD, it'll check for updates and populate the folder it's in. Log into the Steam servers by typing login anonymous. This will work for most server programs, but some require you to purchase it on Steam and log into Steam CMD with your account to download them. Find the app ID of the game server on Valve's app ID page. Garry's mod dedicated server is the app ID 4020. Download this on Steam CMD by typing app_update 4020. Steam CMD will download the server files. Now that the server files are down, you can configure the server settings. Server name changes the server's name, map lets you choose the map, network lets you choose between running a local and online server, max player sets the maximum number of players, UDP port lets you choose support the server will run on. Garry's mod and most Source games will by default connect to the port 27015. If you change the setting, anyone connecting to the server will have to specify which port the server is running on. Archon password lets you change the Archon password. This can be used in game to modify server settings remotely. The secure tick box turns anti-cheat on and off. Now this is very important. You have to open the port you chose on your router, otherwise nobody but you will be able to connect, as your router will block them out. I'll put a link in the description for how to do this. Now, click Start Server. With the server window open, you can add a password and modify server settings. Now we'll go through the Garry's mod specific steps. Skip forward using the annotation if you're setting up for another Source game. To choose the game mode the server will run, you need to find the game mode name the server will recognise. Go to the game modes folder in the Garry's mod folder. Open the folder of your desired game mode. Now open the gamemode.txt file. The title at the very top is the game mode name. Go to the CFG folder in the Garry's mod folder. Open autoexec.cfg and type in game mode, followed by the game mode name in speech marks. Now save and start the server. To get more game modes for your server, you have to extract them from add-on files downloaded from Garry's mod. I have a tutorial linked in the description for how to do this. To connect in game. In Garry's mod, click Find Multiplayer Game and then click Legacy Browser. In most Source games, the Legacy Browser is the default. Go to the Favorites tab. My server is already there from previous use, but it won't be automatically. Click Add Server. Enter the IP of the server. If the server is running on a different port from 27015, then specify the port by following the IP with a colon and the correct port. Click Add this address to Favorites and the server should appear in your Favorites. If not, try clicking refresh and see if it appears. Now connect to the server. If the server has a password, the game will ask for it here. Your game and the server will now connect, and as you can see, the map and game mode are working well. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking the video as it really does help, and if you have any issues, just ask in the comments. See you later.